What are you thinking?
I think when we don't die and play midnight time, but want me to do me today with my tiles.
The magnetic tiles?
Uh-huh.
You're thinking to play with your magnetic tiles?
No, I didn't want me to build today.
Oh, you're thinking what you are going to build today?
With my tiles. That's
So,
what I'm thinking.
what is your idea?
That's what I'm thinking.
You're building what?
Can you remember? Can you remember one name?
A castle?
No.
A domino?
Oh, I like that.
You like that? Okay, we can do that. Okay.
And another one. Other weeping with thumbnail, and one neck.
The race track of your car.
Oh, yeah. I liked it.
You like that?
Mhm.
Okay, we're going to build that, huh?
Yeah.
Are you going to do that alone?
No, you. And other weeping with that, and one neck.
What is your idea? Tell me your idea. Hmm?
I don't know.
You think. You're thinking what, right?
What it looks like.
Give me your idea.
Idea.
What is your idea? What are you going to build?
We are going to make a big way that.
Big race track? You know how to build that?
No.
Who will build that?
You and me.
Oh, both together, huh? Okay, let's do that.
And what next for a big way that? You.
The castle.
No.
A jail.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Here we go. Let's go.